challenges in retail businesses are really tough right now. There is always a shortage of stuff, and the need for efficiency is super high right now.
Retailers face the challenges, it's the cost structure, it's like waste, technology problems.
What we have developed here is basically the automated baking process. So everything in between preparing your trays until your product is finished is completely automated. And that really helps our customers, retail customers, but also bakery customers to simplify their processes and to make baking more efficient.
Our main goal is to connect people and to make their life easier. If you think of restaurant owners, for example, they are not very technology savvy, so they just want to choose the system that they need. They choose a time planning system and another one for self-ordering, and then they don't talk to each other. There's no data connection. That's actually the worst case, because they can't really implement those tools if they don't work with each other.
Menuvo is the first talking menu. The guests scan a QR code, for instance in the restaurant, on their table. What they get is a short video clip of the chef who's giving you a recommendation. What is the meal of the day, for instance? We use a lot of AI systems in the background. For instance, we have the AI sommelier that is giving you recommendations. So the guests choose a food, a dish, and they get AI upselling.